Fizzy Cash Earn Rewards app review. Is this rewards app legit or just another coin collecting con? Over 1 million people have already downloaded this app, and the real question is how many of them ever saw a single cent paid out? Fizzy Cash, listed on Google Play as Fizzy Cash Earn Rewards, is a mobile app developed by the Dust Store 108, a publisher operating under the company name AUC and Solution Pivate Limited based in Kanpur, India. The app pitches itself as a fun, colourful way to earn rewards by collecting coins, completing challenges, and playing games on your phone. The concept is simple. You download the app, engage with its mini-games and tasks, rack up virtual coins, and supposedly convert those coins into real-world rewards or cash payouts. The design is bright, cheerful, and clearly built to keep users engaged for as long as possible. What the app description does not tell you is what those rewards actually are, what the minimum payout threshold is, how withdrawals work, or what payment platforms are supported. None of that is stated anywhere in the listing. That absence of detail is the first significant warning sign. A broader pattern with apps like Fizzy Cash is well documented. Security researchers and consumer watchdogs have consistently found that reward apps of this type make cash out practically impossible. One common tactic is setting the withdrawal threshold artificially high, so users spend hours watching ads only to find the goalposts keep moving. One reviewer of a similar app from the same developer category noted they watched ad after ad for weeks and could never reach the amount needed to cash out. Another user described the experience as a loop of tasks that never actually resolved into a real payment. A third described the coin balance simply resetting without explanation once they got close to a payout. Fizzy Cash is best suited to someone who genuinely enjoys casual mobile games and has no expectation of earning real money. Anyone downloading it specifically because they believe they will receive cash rewards is likely to be disappointed. Now for the pros and cons. The app has over 1 million downloads, which shows wide reach. Its design is colorful and visually engaging. It is free to download with no upfront cost. The developer does provide a support email address. Data safety declarations on the Play Store listing are relatively clean. The negatives are harder to overlook. The app description contains no clear explanation of how payouts work. There is no stated minimum withdrawal threshold anywhere in the listing. The developer is largely unknown, with no credible third-party review history. Apps structured this way are consistently flagged by researchers as payout scams. Real earnings from this type of app are effectively zero for the vast majority of users.